Have you ever wanted to start your own cryptocurrency side hustle? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you actionable, no fluff tips on how you can start earning money, crypto, at starting a side hustle in the cryptocurrency industry, and maybe, just maybe, turning it into a career and turning it into one Bitcoin. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to one Bitcoin, maybe 11 someday. I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm a cowboy. I give cowboy advice. I have a little lizard brain, but gorilla arms and diamond hands exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency with a whole bunch of other cowboys. If you want to join us, hit the subscribe button down below, notification bell for any updated content, and of course, give us a like button if you are feeling generous and you want to help grow our community and just be along for the ride in the wild west. Now, there are a lot of different opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. It's not just trading. In my experience, like as my YouTube channel grows and my exposure to different people grows in cryptocurrency, I have noticed that there are a ton of jobs that anyone can do with very little experience or very high skill sets of experience. And I'm going to give you the very best actionable tips that I have seen work and that I know will make you some cryptocurrency, especially if you're not pulling in enough money on, from your main job or your main source of income, and you just want more crypto to invest in. This is definitely the video for you. So the first thing that you could do as a side hustle is you could develop your own coin. Now there's two types of developers. There's a real developer and a fake developer, okay? The real developer is where you gotta, you're the big brain, big nerd, you know what I mean? You have to go to, you could either develop your own coin or get with a group of people to develop your own coin. Now that one's a little hard because you have to develop a lot of trust with that. Or you could go work for a company, apply for a company, something like Cardano or some big company, maybe even something a little smaller like Constellation, DAG, or whatever. The second type of developer is a meme coin developer, right? I don't condone this. There's a whole bunch of meme coins coming out, but look, if it's out there, everyone kind of knows. And if you don't know, you could just Google or YouTube how to develop a meme coin. There's a ton of videos that I'll show you. It's just basically a website. You pop in your information and you're off and running. Here's what I believe. If you develop a great coin, it will succeed. If you develop a bad coin, it won't succeed. So it doesn't harm me. I'm not into like the whole, pump and dump and get all that kind of stuff. So it doesn't really harm me. But you could develop your coin. That's the first side hustle. The second side hustle is you could be a cryptocurrency marketer. Now, let me tell you a story. About 6 years ago, I started Speedy Marketer. It's basically a marketing company. And we did not specialize in anything. We did everything. We did real estate. We did music schools. We did gyms. We did martial arts schools. We did preschools. We did a whole bunch of things. We did cars. We did pharmacies. And you could probably find all of that, somewhere online anywhere. Now, we weren't getting a lot of clientele. People weren't coming to us because who wants a marketer? There's a whole million marketers out there. But we found a niche. We found multiple niches that were like, oh, if we call ourselves that niche plus marketer, we are now specialists. And then we started seeing people flood us. So the first niche that we really hit it off in was a music school niche. So I just said, hey, your best music school marketers are Speedy Marketer, is me. And I even just created like a DBA, doing business ads, like a different name, said, hey, Speedy School Marketer. We specifically know and market music schools. What did this do for us? It gave us instant credibility, high to the top. People were coming to us. We had a whole bunch of clients. I mean, it was crazy. Why do I tell you this story? Well, you are not a marketer, okay? If you want to try to be a marketer, you're not a marketer. You are a cryptocurrency marketer, okay? I want you to understand this. If you add that word to any job that you already do, and you are essentially a leg higher. If you go to a project and say, hey, I'm a marketer, I can market your coin. No, not as good. Versus someone who's going to come up and say, hey, I am specifically a cryptocurrency marketer. Ooh, what? I want that. I want him. He knows about cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, there are some requirements. You got to know, you got to have a knowledge of cryptocurrency. You got to have experience in using tools and stuff like DeFi and exchanges and wallets and, all swapping and all that kind of stuff. And you got to be up to date. You know what I'm saying? You got to be, current. Crypto is always evolving, and so you got to know what a buyback token is. You got to know what reflection is. I mean, that's just super important. So this tip is the most actionable tip for every other job, every other side hustle out here. Because here's the thing: when I was looking for editors for my videos and my podcast, I went to Upwork, and the person that stood out the most to me was, his name is EJ, and he's probably watching this video because he's the man, right? But what he said to me, he was the only person that said, "Hey, I'm into cryptocurrency as well." I said, slam dunk, boom. He knows what I'm talking about. He knows what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to get someone who doesn't know. And that's the thing. These developers, these guys who are hiring, looking to pay money out, they are looking for someone who has at least a level of sophistication with cryptocurrency, because it's so brand stinking new. If you're watching this video, you are new. You are early, so early, baby hatchling early to the industry of cryptocurrency, because in the span of 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you could be the expert. If you just start today, you could be the cryptocurrency marketer for meme coins, for DeFi, for whatever. And so that's my big tip to you. You have to put that cryptocurrency in front of whatever job you're going to get. Now, marketers, there are multiple types of marketers here, right? One is a shilling marketer. These guys will pay their own project token and be like, bet, I'm going to go to every one of these groups and YouTube videos and just put bonfire, and make this shill post and stuff. You're probably gonna get banned from some of them, of course, you know what I mean? But if you find a way to do it properly and you could track your ROI, your return on investment, you could say, hey, these are the things I shilled. If you track the charts, this is how much it pumped and this is how much I worked. I did that. And so if you do that to Twitter, to Instagram, to Facebook, to all of it, if you find out how to give a direct plan on how to shill properly, you could make a lot of money. I think. I just see these guys getting paid a ton of project tokens, and then you could sell it or hold it if you believe in the project, and that's just a big tip. The second type of marketer is a writing type of marketer. These guys, all of these coins use mediums. Do you think they write their own Medium article? No, they get someone to write it. Maybe it's a community member, maybe it's an admin. Either way, they're all incentivized somehow. They either hold the coin or get paid in the coin or whatever. This is something you could do. Find one of these coins and go up to be like, hey, you know what? You need a Medium article, guy. Hey, Mech Shiba, you were number 1 on cryptocurrency or coin market cap, and then their thing is a Medium, so they're going here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna write this Mech Shiba. Boo, let's write this thing, and then they write this thing. I know if I had a coin, I wouldn't be writing this. I don't want to be writing this at all. But they need this. Why? Because SEO. This is how it's done. I know a guy. His name is Marcus, excellent writer. He does this thing, right? I refer him out business. Hey, he's a guy that I trust, that I like, that won't scam you. And you just need to develop your name for yourself like that. Hey, I've got this. You can post it in Reddit groups and Medium articles, and you just be that Medium writer for these guys. And by the way, I see these guys jump from project team to project team all the time. Like, I was talking to one guy, and he's like, "Oh, I'm not with that team anymore." I'm like, "What? You're not with that?" Yeah. I'm now on this team, for whatever reason. And so these teams, you could be this guy for any one of these developers. They'll be coming to you because you are a specialist. Okay, no one likes a jack of all trades in these situations. People want the specialist, especially in crypto. The third thing that you can be is a designer. You could design a whole bunch of different things. The first thing I would recommend you try to design is a PooCoin ad. You see these little ads here on the bottom left and bottom right hand side of this video screen. People designed that. People designed it flipping over, turning, just the text moving and all this stuff. If you figure out how to do that, I don't know how to do that, but if I if I launched a coin, I would be finding someone and hiring them. Hey, I'm going to pay you to do this for me. And so, yeah, I mean, I would learn how to do this. I think this is like some kind of flash thing. I don't know, but you'd have to learn how to do all that, and how PooCoin ads work, and what is the best, placement for PooCoins, and what are the best colors, and what has the best return, and start keeping track of data and all that kind of stuff. So if you have lots of data, in my opinion, to show someone who's trying to hire you for a job, I think you are a leg up over a whole bunch of other people, because there's a lot of scammers here. You're going to probably want to dox yourself as well. The second thing is you're going to probably want to develop or design this, icons, right? Some people, a lot of these meme tokens will just draw like stock footage or whatever, or you could do a custom icon. So that's something, if you like designing, you're that artsy, brainy type, designing icons is good. Another thing, and this is Grandma Doge, this is just out of control. Another thing is designing websites. Look at this website. Someone designed this website, baby. And maybe you could do a better job than this like little emoji hourglass thing, and maybe links don't work, and how did we do this, and this, that's a picture, you know what I'm saying? Like, someone designed this for me. So you could be the specialist, the meme coin designer, a specialist of meme coin websites. Oh, come on, bro. If I'm developing a meme coin, I'm looking you up, you know what I'm saying? So that's definitely another route to do. I'm gonna keep it going here really quickly, because I just realized it's like 11 minutes here. The second thing, the fourth thing, are video editors, as editors for video and podcasts. Just put crypto in front of it, go on Upwork, and you'll be able to find any kind of work. Put it in the title of your Telegram. Hey, cryptocurrency editor, video editor, or whatever. The fifth thing you could do is personal assistant, cryptocurrency personal assistant, cryptocurrency admin. I talk to developers all the time, and they have a lot of money. They're trying to invest, but sometimes they don't know how to navigate through Telegram and Medium and all this kind of stuff, and just navigate the waters of cryptocurrency, navigate the Wild West, basically. And so they get help from these admins, like trying to talk to people, headhunting, finding YouTubers, finding promoters, finding different ways to promote their coin, different connections. You know what I mean? It's just one of those things. Another thing is you could be a cryptocurrency translator. I've had this need, basically. I'm stuck on like 2 different projects who only speak Korean, and I don't know Korean. So you could be a cryptocurrency translator. Anyway, these are just some ideas. This video is long enough. These are some ideas for you to make extra money on a cryptocurrency side hustle, and hopefully turn it into a cryptocurrency career. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, join the gang, man. Join the gang of cowboys out here by subscribing, and join our Telegram. I think it's awesome, because you learn from the whole community, you gain from experience from the whole community as large. Anyway, lizard brain, gorilla arms, diamond hands. I'll see you on the moon.